Wouldn't it be nice if you could create images without having to take someone else's images from the internet? But are you a good designer or a creative person? It doesn't matter. Tools like Canva make it easy to create visuals even if you are not a very creative person. Another way to avoid using copyrighted visuals is to create the visuals yourself. But concerns like knowledge of creative process or the right arm form stops us from attempting to do so. Canva is a tool specifically made to address this problem. Canva allows any one of us to create beautiful visuals using the tool capabilities and features. With Canva, we can create visuals either from the existing templates or totally from scratch. On signing up with Canva, it allows us to create designs for any of the social media platforms we work with. Let's choose to create a visual for Facebook post. This sets the default dimensions for the Facebook post image. Canva solves our queries on the size to choose for different social media posts. Let's now choose a template. Note that there are free as well as paid templates with Canva. We can edit the template as we like, change the text and the font, work with the background color and image, and so on. While working with images, we can choose our own images if we like. We will need to upload it first though. Images available with Canva are royalty free. Wherever required, Canva will ask us to pay for using images. Hence, we can be rest assured that we are either using royalty free images or paying for using a copyrighted one. We can resize the image for the chosen background. These settings work seamlessly with Canva. Once done, we can save and download the image. This image is apt for a Facebook post. Similarly, we can create a design from scratch in Canva. We work with the different studio components of Canva to bring the blank image to life. This includes the images, different elements, text, and background to finalize the image under consideration. Once done, we can save and download this image. Images created with Canva are our own, and we do not need to worry about unlawful use of copyrighted images. Canva is one of the most widely used solutions across the world for creating own designs and images.